Hey guys. All right, so today we're going to talk about like terms. So first things first, remember all of the notes that I'm going to go over are right below here. So if you'd rather just read them, do that. But if you're having any troubles, watch this video and you can, if you hear somebody explain something, sometimes it helps make it stick in your brain and you can kind of get it better. So like terms are just terms that have the same variable part. So it could be just whole numbers. Like we can add 4, 9, 13, 27, all of those numbers together, right? It might be variables such as X or Y, maybe A or B. It could also be variables that have exponents, but we'll talk about that tomorrow, okay? So an example of like terms would be 2x, 3x, and 7x, okay? Because they're all the same. We could add or subtract these all up. There we go. If we needed to. An example of two things that are not like terms would be 4, I want to do plus, and 2y. These are not like terms, okay? 4 is a whole number, 2y, this is like adding apples and oranges. They're not the same fruit, okay? So let's go through some examples of how we do simplify and add terms together. All right, so let's do this first one. Let's say I have 3x plus 5x minus x plus 4. And I want to simplify that, okay? So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at what things can we add together. I always start with whatever I see first. So I'm going to start, what else is similar to 3x? 5x minus x, but 4 is not, because 4 is a number. The rest of these are x's. Whenever you see one like this where it just says minus x or minus anything that doesn't have a number in front of it, that is one single one. So this is one single x right here that we're going to add in. So this we would have 3x plus 5x minus 1x. 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 1 is 7. So those three would combine to be 7x. Now, do we have anything to add in with our 4? Nope. Does he go anywhere? Also no, he tags along. If he starts there, he stays there. So this is 7x plus 4. That's your answer, okay? Don't let things fall apart just because they don't fit in with what you start with, all right? We are inclusive here. Everybody is our friend. Everybody sticks together. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 10y plus 2y minus 3x plus 5x. It's supposed to be 5x plus y. Sorry about that. Okay, again, it doesn't really matter where you start. You just got to make sure you include everything into your final answer. So if I start with y's, I have a 10y, a 2y, and a plus y, which means plus 1y. So 10 plus 2 plus 1 would be 13. Don't forget to put 13 what? This is 13y, okay? Now we got to look at our next one. So x, negative 3x plus 5x would be positive 2x, okay? You can use calculators. I don't care. However you need to do it. If you have a great understanding of adding and subtracting negative numbers, perfect. Okay, but for right now, if you need a calculator, use a calculator. So this would be plus 2x. That is your answer. Okay. Now, if you guys are having any questions as I go along, make sure you reach out to me and let me know. If I offer you one-to-one help, please take it, okay? Don't struggle on your own. Let me help you just like you would let me help you in class, okay? So, what about the distributive property? Let's look at one. Let's say we have 6, my marker's dying, 6x minus 3 times the quantity of 2 minus 3x. Let's see. First thing we're going to do is use our distributive property. So we're going to distribute this 3 in, but this 3 has a minus in front, so we're going to really distribute -3, okay? So this 6x just stays here. It's tagging along for the fun of it. -3 times +2 would be -6. That negative just goes in like a minus sign, okay? -3 times -3x, we can multiply things that aren't the same. So -3 times -3 is a +9, and there's 1x, so it tags along like 9x, okay? If you need any help on that part, just let me know. So now we can combine like terms. So we have 6x plus 9x, that's 15x, minus 6 just tags along. Okay, all right. One more quick example for you guys. I'll let you go. I'm trying to make them quicker this week. What if you have one like this? 4 times x minus 10 minus 6 times x plus 4. This means we get to do the distributive property twice. How fun is that? Okay, let's do it. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times minus 10 is minus 40. Okay? Minus 6 times x, that's minus 6x. Minus 6 times positive 4 is negative 24. A negative times a positive is a negative. Now we can combine like terms. 4x minus 6x. 4 minus 6 is -2. So our answer would be -2x. And then we have -40 minus 24. So our negative value is going to get bigger. So this is going to be -64. And that, my lovely students, is our answer. So don't forget, notes are right below here. You can try the work to the side now and let me know how it goes or if you have any questions. All right, bye.